Hey guys, I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is all about this beautiful maroon based makeup look, and you can wear this look for Karwa Chauth, any kind of wedding function, for NAVRATRIs, and this is the kind of makeup look where I have not used any eyeshadow, so it's all about those fluttery eyelashes, a bold lipstick and lots of highlighter. So if you guys are excited how I did this look, then please keep on watching. So to get that glowy base, I'm adding MAC Strobe Cream to my MAC foundation and I'm applying this mixture all over my face and neck, and this mixture will give you such a glowy and dewy base. For my concealer, I'm using the same foundation and I'm applying it on my under eyes and also on my eyelids. Now to set everything in place that anything does not look cakey on my skin, I am making sure to blend everything beautifully with the help of a beauty blender. And now I'm going to take some loose powder to set up the makeup, and this one is by LA Girl, and again with the help of the beauty blender I'm setting the powder all over my face and my neck. For my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara and just using it on my eyebrows. And today's makeup look is all about using very minimal makeup products and yet achieving that glam look. And now I'm using this clear gel by Wet n Wild to set my eyebrows in place. And now I'm drawing this tiny little wing with the help of this eyeliner by Maybelline. And I felt like darkening up my eyeliner a little bit more, so what I'm going to do is add on a kajal next. This is the one by Plum, and just draw it above my wing to give that very jet black look. And now I'm going to add these very fluttery lashes. These are by Shein, and for mascara I'm using the one by Loreal, and yeah, using it on my lower lashes. Next, to contour my face, I'm using this shade from the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette. For my blush, I'm using this very pretty dark reddish shade by Lakme 95. And then I'm just going to clean up below my cheeks to give that like sharp, clean look to my cheeks, and yeah, wiping off the excess powder as well. Now for the next step, I'm going to add this very chunky, very bronzy sort of highlighter and apply it on the high points of my face. This is a very strong highlighter, and I wanted a very glowy, properly highlighted look for today. And then I'm going to use this shade on my inner corners and also on my brow bone area. And next I'm going to use this lip liner. This is the one by NYX, and I'm going to line my lips first, and I'm planning to go in with a very berry maroonish sort of lip shade. Actually, the name of this lipstick is Berry, but it's more of reddish maroon in color. And now I'm going to set my face using this makeup finishing mist by PAC, and yeah, then dab my beauty sponge to set everything in place, and voila, this is my final look. And you can, as I already mentioned, wear it for Karwa Chauth. Of course, I missed my bindi and my sindoor, but yes, you can add a sindoor, and this could be like your Karwa Chauth makeup look. And you don't have to add in like a lot of makeup products. As you guys can already see, I did not do any eye makeup yet. This one looks super duper glamorous, right? So let me know in the comment section, how did you guys like this look, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you soon for my last video of this series, and I love you all so much. Bye.